Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about the cardiovascular physiology, that is cardiac cycle. So first step in cardiac cycle is ventricular filling. Ventricular filling का ये मतलब होता है कि हमारे हार्ट में जो चेम्बर्स है, 4 चेम्बर्स, that is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. So the right ventricle and left ventricle is filling in this step. So first is, while ventricular filling, the AV valve, that is the atrioventricular valve, will be open so that the blood gets its way to go in the ventricles. Then the semilunar valve will be closed. Blood enters into the ventricles और जो भी ब्लड एंटर होगा उसका एक पर्टिकुलर वॉल्यूम होगा, उसको हम बोलेंगे एंड डायस्टोलिक वॉल्यूम. दैट विल बी यूजुअली 100 to 120 ml. AV valve need low pressure to remain open and semilunar valve need high pressure to remain open. The atrioventricular valve को ओपन रहने के लिए लो प्रेशर नीडेड है और सेम एज सेमिलुनर को हाई प्रेशर. See in this diagram, you can see that oxygenated blood is coming from the lungs to the left ventricle and deoxygenated blood from the superior vena cava is coming to the right ventricle. And the atrioventricular valves are open. Then next step is ventricular systole. Second step है ventricular systole. Systole का मतलब होता है contraction. So if contraction is taking place, then blood will be pumped out. So there are two phases in this step. First is isovolumetric contraction. Isovolumetric का मतलब होता है same volume. Let's see what happens in that. All valves are closed. सारे valves closed हो जाते हैं जो है AV और SL. Then second है when AV valve close there occurs a lub sound. जब भी AV valve close होता है एक lub sound हार्ट में आपको सुनाई देगा. Then second है फर्स्ट आइसोवॉल्यूमेट्रिक हो गया. देन उसमें सेकेंड फेज हम देखेंगे वेंट्रिकुलर इजेक्शन. सो वेंट्रिकुलर इजेक्शन में क्या होता है, एवी वॉल्व क्लोज हो जाते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप में एवी वॉल्व ओपन थे, अब वेंट्रिकुलर इजेक्शन में क्लोज होंगे. देन एसएल वॉल्व्स ओपन होंगे क्योंकि ब्लड को पंप आउट करना है. पंप आउट करने के लिए सेमिलुनर वॉल्व काम करेंगे और इन करने के लिए एवी वॉल्व. फिर हम देखेंगे स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम हम कैसे काउंट करते हैं, तो वो एंड डायस्टोलिक वॉल्यूम माइनस एंड सिस्टोलिक वॉल्यूम. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज एंड सिस्टोलिक वॉल्यूम. यूजुअली द स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम इज 70 ml. स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम का नॉर्मल रेंज है 70 ml. एंड डायस्टोलिक वॉल्यूम होता है 50 ml. नाउ आफ्टर इजेक्शन ऑफ द ब्लड फ्रॉम द वेंट्रिकल्स, the blood that is remaining, that is end systolic volume, and that is usually 50 ml. So got what is end systolic and end diastolic volume? See in this figure, the oxygenated blood is going through the aorta to the body and deoxygenated is going to the lungs for oxygenation. So this is ventricular ejection. Now third step is isovolumetric relaxation. The second was isovolumetric contraction. So if contraction has occurred, relaxation should also occur. So we'll see what happens in this stage. When heart begins to relax, अब heart relax होने के लिए start करेगा, तब क्या होगा कि सारे valves close हो जाएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने पहले भी देखा था कि एवी वाल्व को ओपन रहने के लिए लो प्रेशर लगता है और एसएल वाल्व को ओपन रहने के लिए हाई प्रेशर. लेकिन यहाँ पे वाइस वर्सा है, एवी वाल्व के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर हो रहा है और एसएल के लिए लो हो रहा है, इसलिए दोनों भी वॉल्व्स क्लोज्ड है. सी द प्रेशर इज high and low for both of them, that is why the AV and SL are closed. Now see along with the diagram, ventricular filling, we will see the review. Oxygenated blood comes from the lungs. See, Oxygenated blood is coming from the lungs. See, in the left ventricle, down through the left atrium. Through the left atrium, it is coming into the left ventricle. At the same time, deoxygenated is coming from the body through the superior vena cava to the right atrium and then to the right ventricle. Then next, see in the ventricular systole, what is happening? Ki O2 blood gets pumped out. Oxygenated blood is getting pumped out from the left ventricle. See, from the left ventricle to the aorta, it is going to the body through the semilunar valve. When blood is going out, semilunar valve helps, and when blood is coming in, that time atrioventricular valve will help. And see, deoxygenated blood, which is in purple color, it is going to the lungs through the pulmonary semilunar valve to the lungs. Whatever is pumped out is called as stroke volume. So in this step, whatever volume of blood is pumped out, whether to the body or to the lungs, that is called as the stroke volume. And whatever is left, as we have seen, whatever was left, that is 50 ml, that was end systolic volume. Now here another important formula you have to remember, that is ejection fraction. How we calculate it? That is SV upon EDV, that is stroke volume upon end diastolic volume, that is usually 60%. This is the cycle in which atrial contraction occurs. First is ventricular filling, then atrial contraction, then as we have seen the three stages, that is isovolumetric contraction, ventricular contraction and ventricular ejection, and the last is isovolumetric relaxation. Thank you. If you have understood my lecture, then please like, share and subscribe.